This is how you can go to the wireless settings on your iPhone. So at first, locate the main settings app. So it is most likely going to be part of your main apps on the home screen. For me, it is in the dock indicated by the gear icon. So this is what you need to click on, or just swipe down and just type in the settings so you can look it up like this. You get inside, and if you are on the main page, the first thing at the top is your profile, but below we have the connectivity section, right? So this entire thing is dedicated to the connections, whether it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular connection, even sharing your hotspot to other people, or the airplane mode. This is the place which shows up right at the top of the settings where you can change the wireless stuff. Right, so you can, for example, open up Wi-Fi and connect to a different network or do whatever you need. So yeah, this is like the main part, but then the network settings or wireless settings are integrated into other sections. For example, if you go to General and click on a transfer or reset at the bottom and tap on reset in here, you can, for instance, reset network settings, right? So this is related to the wireless networks, but it's in this reset section. Or you might also go to the accessibility, and in there you have also some things regarding connection, for example, with the hearing devices or some other stuff which you might be interested in, right? So stuff like the Apple TV settings or AirPods, keyboards, and so on, right? So if you want to connect like a keyboard, you can go to this section. And so, you know, the main connection and main wireless section is at the top in here, but then you need to go a little bit deeper into the settings for something more specific. So if you have some additional questions, let me know below, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.